This video was requested by Sky Colaspido. This is a response to her acne scar treatment question. There are a lot of prescription treatments out there that are used for treating acne. However, a lot of those aren't used for treating the scarring. And that's a concern that a lot of people have after they've gotten their acne taken care of. These prescription treatments are used to clear the acne because they're an antibiotic. However, there's no properties in them that are actually going to heal the skin. An alternative for that is using an antimicrobial ointment. Something like Neosporin would be really good for this. It's a topical cream, and because it's antimicrobial, it's not going to cause further acne, but it's going to heal those scars. And it's just like you would have a cut or a scrape anywhere else. You know, Neosporin really can make a big difference, and I've heard of a lot of people using this in that way. If you want to spend a little bit more money on something that's a little bit more targeted just for scarring, you can look into Mederma, and I have personally used this myself, and it does work wonders. When you're looking at some of the larger tubes, you're going to spend a little bit more, but it is a good investment, and you don't have to buy the big one right off. You can buy the smaller tube, spend a little less, and see if it's going to work for you first before you invest in a larger amount. When you're talking about acne and acne scarring, it's best to stay with ingredients that are all natural. And the reason I say that is because when you've had acne, you obviously know that you're acne prone. And so different kinds of chemicals can actually cause you to break out further. So when you're using something to actually treat the scarring, you're causing more acne. And so it just works backwards. Some of the things that I have found to work very well is tea tree gel. I think this is made by Jason's. I think that's the brand of it. And I actually buy this from eBay. You can buy it from Sam's Club. And it works very well. What it actually is, it's for the skin after like a guy shaves. And it's actually used to help treat any kind of razor burn or razor rash. But it works really good with healing and just kind of nourishing your skin. Hydroxy acids can help to kind of rejuvenate those cells. If you use a hydroxy acid, that can kind of take off some of that damage, and it will promote new cell growth. So whenever you're thinking about treating, you also want to be doing something that's going to kind of erase that previous scarring. Retin A also encourages cell growth, and that can be pretty expensive. So if that's something you're looking into, you would definitely want to talk to a doctor or a dermatologist first before you invest in that. See what they say, but I've heard a lot of good reviews from Retin A. There are a number of different products that actually help with acne scarring. When you're looking at products, really make sure that you read what's in them. When you're looking at all natural products, you're going to want certain things that are going to have healing properties. And some of the best ones are echinacea, witch hazel, birch bark, rosemary, sage, rosehip, and sea kelp. And those are going to help to alleviate any further acne. And they're also going to really nourish your skin and make sure that that scarring is alleviated. Of course, not all scarring is going to go away. The only way to really get all of your scarring to go away is through a drastic measure such as surgery or laser treatment. And even then, you know, these aren't miracles. Just make sure that what you put on your face is actually going to be good for you. And sometimes just realize that, you know, we're all different. We all have certain signatures about us and unique traits. And that doesn't make you a bad person. You know, scars is just a part of life. And we shouldn't judge others for having a scar or being a little different, you know. And it's all about seeing a person for what's inside and not what's on the outside. The most beautiful people are the ones who have a great personality and a great attitude about life. So, you know, looks aren't everything. Just keep taking care of yourselves and let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.